Sat Sri Akal, I'm Chef Japveer from the JW Marriott, Chandigarh, and I've got a very cool recipe for all you gourmet fast food lovers. This is a recipe that's going to boost your immunity. It's got beetroots, coconuts, mixed into a scramble and served with a whole wheat taco. So let's get down to making it. You're going to absolutely love this one. So for the ingredients, I've got 2 beetroots which have been grated, half a coconut grated again, some chana dal, some salt, mustard black, and some peanuts. This is all going to be part of the scramble, and the seasoning for the taco is going to be with the hung yogurt, coriander, lemon, sesame seed paste and some green chilies. So we're going to start by heating some oil. You can take some coconut oil or some refined oil if you'd like, but desi ghee is even better. So I've given you 3 options. We're going to start by crackling some mustard, black mustard, and some chana dal. This is going to add some crunch and some peanuts after that. Peanuts are full of nutrients, they are full of essential oils, so those are also going to help you boost your immunity. Going to quickly cook this. My tempering is nice and roasted. Now I'm going to add the beetroots. These beetroots are just simply grated, and I've taken time to grate it from the thicker side of the grater. I can smell the peanuts, I can smell the chana dal, the mustard, all of it is very fragrant. And this has to be cooked on a high temperature. There is a lot of moisture in the beetroot. Once the initial sauteing is done, I am actually going to cover it and cook it without adding any more water from outside. The initial water has disappeared, and now I'm going to start to quickly keep stirring it and then cover it in a bit. I want it to cook in its own juices. There I'm adding the cover, and we're going to start cooking it very slowly. I'm going to cover it now. It has to keep continuing to cook for about 7 minutes. While the beetroots and coconuts beetroots are being cooked, I'm going to start making the dip. Now I've got some hung curd, like I told you earlier. I've got some hung curd. I've got 2 big heap spoons of hung curd here, which are going to be mixed with a little bit of tahina. Now tahina is sesame paste. If you get this ready made, great, but otherwise you can just simply grind some sesame at home and it should come to the same thing. Next is salt. Salt is as per requirement. So that's about it. We're also going to season it with a little bit of green chilies. Those are going to give it some flavor. I like it a little spicy. You might want to reduce or increase as per your preference. And corianders, those are going to give it a nice herby freshness. And then lemon juice, that's going to give it the nice kick. So I got about 3 lemons which I'm going to squeeze in here. Lemons are obviously very good for immunity boosting as well. Going to give that a quick stir now. Giving it a nice stir. We wanted to have a little bit of a kick from the green chilies and the lemon. The curd might be sour, so you might want to just check on how much of the lemon you're putting in. So the beetroots have been cooking for about 7 to 8 minutes. You can see they're well cooked. Now I'm going to add the coconuts at this point in time, and those are going to add a nice freshness to the entire dish, and obviously a contrasting color, I can see. We're going to quickly toast this for another 2-3 minutes. We want to cook both the coconuts and the beetroots together for about 3-4 minutes, and that's about it. Let's check up on our coconuts and beetroots. They smell absolutely fabulous. The coconuts and the beetroots are coming through very well. And I'm just going to check for seasoning. We haven't put in salt, so putting in salt. Now mixture is ready. We can use this as a filling for a lot of places, and I'm going to use it on a taco, but you can easily keep this for a few days, and it's a good mix for even for a sandwich. Once the mix is ready, I'm going to get in some desi fulka. Now this is a very simple whole wheat atta ka fulka. You can easily use another mix like a tortilla bread to make a nice taco. So I'm going to use this to use this as my base and smear some of the chutney that we've made. And this is just going to get moistened up here like so. And we've got our coconuts, beetroots there. Going to have it generously filled in. And you could either keep it open and have a mix of a salad or some herbs put in, but I'm going to have it folded over like this. Now to make a quesadilla, you could just have it grilled, pan-seared. You want to put some cheese in it, that will be even better, but this is what we are doing today. So I got one more of this. I'm going to have it smeared gently. This is a very rustic home style recipe, and again one more version. Just filled with this, like so. If you want to have it grilled, that's also better. But I've got a nice salad here, which is just some fresh vegetables. They're all crisp. I'm going to serve it on the side, and I've also got some coriander that's going to add some greenery. So that's how I like to present my whole wheat tacos, which are filled with a beetroot coconut scramble. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. It's fun, it's healthy, and it's super nutritious. I'm chef_Japfir on Instagram. I'll see you around.